SEO. What is it? Why does it matter? Simply put, SEO is all about words and how well they rank online. But SEO is more than the engine that drives your success. It not only helps you avoid the online tracking traffic you don't want, it opens up the traffic you do want, the kind that pushes you ahead of the competition. Think about it. You wouldn't build a house without a foundation, just as you wouldn't build a website without a great SEO strategy. Where we come in. We look at SEO semantically, assessing each word's meaning and how well it ranks online to avoid spammy content. After all, variation is the key to driving SEO success. The same goes for long tail and short tail. Keywords boost backlinks and measure website traffic, and nothing is left untested. We will even send you a personal report listing your keyword ranking to know what is working and what is not. Because for us, results are everything. So let us build your success the right way. Contact us now for a free consultation.